All right, look over here. There's already pus coming out. Did you tear it yourself?
No, just that shoe mold.
Does the shoe model hurt a lot? Do you cut the nail yourself, or does someone else do it for you?
Sometimes my mom cuts it for me, sometimes my dad does.
Hey, okay, here, it's embedded inside. Oh, it's okay, not too big. This is already oozing pus. If you wait a little longer, this root is still okay, but if it goes on longer, this whole nail area will be completely eroded by the pus.
Does it still hurt?
Pain!
It's so big, really so big.
It'll be fine in a moment. What's this compared to that? Don't move.
I'm cleaning out the dirt inside for you.
Can you really bury your foot like that? I can't believe it.
Oh, it's okay now.
This nail plate is quite hard.
The temper is also tough or related to the temper?
The temper is also tough. Sound, laughter.
Does it not hurt over there?
It doesn't hurt here.
Is that side done trimming?
Right. In here.
This is quite broken.
It's a bit like caramel color, right?
Oh, don't cry. I can't see my way.
Don't burp out loud.
Tears are falling, huh? Laughter.
Watch me carry it on my back. Just these 2 steps.
Oh my, ha ha ha, why is it so tiny?
All right.